The nice thing about this campground is we've got the forest, we've got the beach. The chocolate's already in the marshmallow.
And there's wild pigs along the trail.
It's got a red band running all the way through it. What? I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who traded in our home and art studio for a home studio on wheels. Along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full-time in search of new landscapes and inspiration. And we'd love to have you join us on our adventures. We're just gonna stay around camp today and go for a walk, take Gracie down to the beach. And tomorrow is supposed to be beautiful, warm, and amazing, so we might plan something fun for them. But let me take you outside. I see an artist at work. What are you doing, babe?
Making a mess.
Does it feel good to paint though?
Feels good to paint though.
Do you think we should go walk the beach before?
Yeah.
Stretch our legs?
Okay.
It's good to see you arting. Here, let's take him over and show him one that we brought. This is just a print of a big, huge one he did. I'm gonna go get Gracie and I ready. Go walk the beach. We can take you along. Maybe there'll be some agates down there. It's the nice thing about this campground is we've got the forest, we've got the beach. Pretty amazing. All right, go get ready. Go get little one.
Before we leave, we need to do a video tour of the Honey Bear Campground.
Definitely overdressed. It's really warm. Could have just wore a t-shirt today. Never know what you're gonna get around here. Sea glass, agates, and sand dollars right on our own beach by our campground. We've been looking all over the coast for these, so we found all three right here. Who'd have thunk it?
The yard ornament. Catch for the day, right there.
Should we have got a toy hauler?
Maybe. Probably would have been a good idea.
And we could have had our art studio and our collection of rocks.
Yeah, I think we're toy hauler people in hindsight.
Hi, buddy. We came back. Now, doing lunch?
Could use a little work. I'm the guy that's been in the hospital a couple of times using an axe. So we'll see. Well, we've been here almost 7 months, and we have yet to have a campfire. So today's the day. We're gonna campfire, we're gonna cook up some burgers and enjoy the non-rainy weather.
I'm gonna make some cabbage wedges to go with the burgers. Kind of weird, but I've been craving them. It's gonna make the RV stink. And hopefully s'mores. Haven't had s'mores this whole time. Holy cow, we're overdue. It sounded really manly hearing you out here chopping wood.
Yeah, did you see me? I didn't look very manly.
Oh. How do you like the smell in here?
Smells pretty good. Smells like cabbage.
Oh, you're being much nicer than I.
Smells healthy. Smells about like what it's going to in about a couple hours.
They're marshmallows stuffed with chocolate. I mean, why didn't I think of that? Can't have our first campfire without s'mores. Babe,
Yeah.
do we have marshmallow sticks?
No. I don't think we do.
You need to go up to the office and buy some. Unless you want to whittle down a stick
No.
like in the old days we used to do. Yay.
$4 a piece. They're expandable. Those are fancy.
Good thing I thought of that before they closed the office.
Yeah, it is.
Or we would have been up a creek without a paddle.
Yep.
This is the way to go for fifth wheel life. Look at that, baby. And how's the chocolate in the middle?
You guys, you have no idea. It's really good.
It's in your beard and mustache. That looks disgusting. Stuffed puffs.
I'm a believer.
We're believers. We're never going back. If we got campfires, we're gonna make these on the propane stove inside. The only thing missing are the grandbabies. They love watching our videos, so Trendon, Holden, Adley, and Liam. We're roasting marshmallows and making s'mores just for you. It's getting kind of cold out. Should we go inside and turn on the fire and watch a movie?
Ready to go out and get some blue sky action today.
Where are we gonna go?
We're gonna go to Port Orford and Agate Beach. We'll go look for some treasures that have washed up in the big surf. Well, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Are you excited to go get agates?
Yeah, let's go agate hunting.
Pretty light out there.
So now we're at Port Orford State Park. It's called The Heads. And it's a really cool bluff trail and a historic Coast Guard station.
And there's wild pigs along the trail because we heard one last time.
Yeah, we heard a boar, but we didn't see it, thank goodness. So let's go. The museum's closed, so we'll mark this on our list for when the pandemic ends and things open again. We don't know if you find history as fascinating as we do, but we love these stops where there's historic buildings and interesting facts about the coast that you're seeing and the places that you're at. These were Coast Guard boats that they sent out to rescue. It says it was the boat of choice when an emergency arose, and only one of these boats was ever lost at sea, so they were considered some of the toughest boats built. Pretty amazing. So we'll go take you and show you where they were launched out of. It's crazy. A 37-foot tower was in this spot, and this is where the Coast Guard took 4-hour shifts to watch in the storms for flares to go up or lights to let them know that a ship needed help. I just find this all so interesting. I hope this isn't boring for you.
Boathouse was located in Nellie's Cove, almost 300 feet below the crew quarters, connected by over 530 steps.
Right down in this cove is where they would launch the boats out of. It's a beautiful, calm day, but imagine the winter storms and the waves crashing in. It's like one way in, one way out. And that down there is Agate Beach, and I'm really excited to go find some agates. Hey babe, can we go look for agates now?
Yeah, as soon as I get done with this slow zoom shot.
If you're in Port Orford, come hike the trails. It's beautiful. And also, Sometimes you see some whales out here. Sunset's the best time to find these because the light's low and they all glow. An hour before sunset. Check this one out. Isn't that one beautiful? It's got reds in it. Oh, I wish we had more sunlight, but I'm gonna take advantage of what we have and keep hunting. And they're just everywhere. I need a lot more time here. We're gonna have to come back. Well, Scott's abandoned me for some beautiful sunset photography down the beach. It's loud, sorry. So I'm gonna leave you with this beautiful sunset and these gorgeous waves crashing in and say goodnight. And till further notice, I'm gonna keep scouring this beach for agates.